For centuries, pythons have evoked a deep primal fascination, slithering through dense rainforests, symbols of ancient mystery and fear. But today, these powerful reptiles are stepping into a new role, one that connects the wild with the modern world. Welcome to the evolving world of python farming, a practice that's turning heads globally as it balances conservation, economy, and sustainability. Due to increasing restrictions on wildlife harvesting, python farming has become a sustainable alternative to wild capture. It's not just about reptiles anymore, it's about livelihoods, eco conscious entrepreneurship, and a surprising connection to the luxury fashion world. This isn't just farming, it's a booming global industry. So, how do you raise a creature known for its solitary, stealthy life in the wild? It starts with building the right home. Python enclosures are carefully crafted to mimic their natural habitats: warm, humid, and hidden. These reptiles thrive in temperatures between 25 to 30 degrees, 77 to 86 degrees, and humidity levels of 60% to 80%, allowing for proper shedding and a healthy metabolism. Enrichment is key. Hiding spaces made of logs, straw, or wood chips help pythons feel safe, reducing stress and supporting their natural instincts. Next comes the science of breeding. Selecting the right breeding stock is crucial. Healthy, active snakes with smooth, glossy skin and no deformities are chosen. Their origin and adaptability to captivity are also carefully verified. During mating season, male and female pythons are introduced in controlled environments. Mating may last a few hours or a few days. Once successful, males are separated to avoid stress or aggression. Females carry the eggs for about 2 to 3 months, eventually laying anywhere from 20 to 100 eggs depending on species and health. The incubation phase is delicate. Whether done naturally or with incubators, the environment must remain consistent. After 60 to 70 days, hatchlings begin to emerge, tiny but fully independent from the start. These baby pythons can hunt on their own, usually feeding on insects or small mice. Over time, their diets and care plans are adjusted to support growth and muscle development. Feeding adult pythons is a well monitored task done with strict hygiene and safety protocols. Their meals are protein rich and portioned according to their size and stage of growth. Feeding schedules help reduce stress and keep the snakes in peak condition. This level of care ensures that when the time comes, usually around 2 to 3 years of age, the python has developed optimal skin quality, including elasticity, thickness, and vibrant color. These attributes are essential for luxury leather products. Harvesting is carried out under ethical practices, prioritizing animal welfare while preserving skin quality. After harvesting, the skins undergo processes like cleaning, tanning, and preservation before making their way to high end fashion houses and artisan workshops. From handbags and belts to exclusive shoes, python leather is a sought after material in luxury markets. But the economic potential doesn't stop at the skin. Python meat is consumed in many regions known for its nutritional value and unique taste. From stir fries to soups, it appears in traditional dishes in Southeast Asia and parts of Africa. Beyond the kitchen, the meat is also used in traditional medicine, adding even more value to the farming model. Even the byproducts have a purpose. Python fat, once refined, becomes an ingredient in skincare products and natural remedies. It's praised for its moisturizing and anti inflammatory properties, used to treat burns, skin conditions, and dryness. Bones too don't go to waste. Cleaned and dried carefully, They're used to make nutrient-rich medicinal extracts, especially valued for their collagen content. From the dense forests to high-tech farms and fashion runways, python farming represents an evolving ecosystem of culture, conservation, and commerce. Done responsibly, it offers a future where people and nature thrive together, scaling new heights with green technology and sustainable practices. This is more than farming, it's a global movement. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more behind the scenes looks into the world of sustainable production. Stay curious, stay informed. This is Process Revealed.